Hey everyone, I'm here with my daughter Ella, and we thought it would be fun to see what it was like to be out in the blizzard warning today. And so, have you ever wondered what it's like to be out in a blizzard warning? Currently we have gusts over 60 miles an hour. So we're going to go out and check it out.